Confused about which 1xBet app to download? Here's a quick guide. Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration, choose one of the 4 available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. Official 1xBet app, best for sport betting and casino games, available on Android and iOS. Go to your store and simply put 1xBet. Here you will see the app, so you can simply download it. In my case, I will open it and I will be redirected to my application. Also, you can choose the desktop app for Windows or Mac, perfect if you prefer betting from your computer. Mobile side, no download needed, works on any browser. And a pro tip, only download from the official 1xBet website or verified app stores. Avoid third-party sites, they may contain fake apps. So, the best choice, if you are on mobile, go with the official app. For PC, install the desktop version, both give you full access to all features. And if this was useful, put like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.